Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: fuel levels, power margins, life support integrity, and a cleared comms link. Once done, load the approved trajectory into guidance and sync the launch window with mission control so timing matches orbital mechanics. Make sure avionics and telemetry are booted and pass quick health checks. This is the first actionable step you take. Follow the checklist strictly because an overlooked sensor can force an abort, and you need a clean baseline before ignition. You control ascent by monitoring pitch program, thrust levels, and G-loads while watching staging events closely. Respond to deviations immediately. Once free of dense atmosphere, execute precise mid-course burns, calculate delta-V needs, use engine throttling to limit stress, and apply attitude control for vector accuracy. Make sure to cross-check telemetry against predicted values and update the orbit model. When approaching target orbit, burn to raise or lower apopsis and periapsis, so your inclination and rendezvous timing align with mission objectives and docking plans. You complete final operations by matching velocity vectors for rendezvous and closing at a controlled relative speed to dock or park. Once docked, carry out payload deployments or experiments, then begin pre-re-entry procedures if applicable, secure items, check seals, and power down non-essential systems. If a problem arises, switch to backup comms or manual control and hold in a safe pattern while diagnosing. This single troubleshooting tip will save mission time. Make sure to document and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.